Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in Panglao, so I'll be showing you a very, it's not affordable, it's free. Actually it's free. So since their sand is very fine, I showed you that a while ago, and it's not really white, but it's very clean. So I'm gonna use it to, it's like polvoron. So I'm gonna scrub my skin using unlimited sand here in Panglao. And as you can see, it's powdery white. So since I don't have a tripod, I just dug a hole and inserted the handle of my GoPro into the sand. The sky is very nice, guys. If you can see, I'll show it to you now. There you go. Very nice sky. Very nice view.
The beauty of Doljo.
Ilang Doljo diri no kay Doljo? So I'll go back to scrubbing. Okay. Scrub, scrub, scrub.
Scrub, scrub, scrub. I'm lying down. I'm lying down looking at
It would have been better, but if it's done.
Wow, nilike na sila. Look at me, I'm lying in the water. See, nilike na sila. See, Joyce. I'm lying in the water.
Duh!
See, na. See, how nice is Doljo.
Duh! So there's no entrance fee.
There's no entrance fee, it's free.
It's free! So since we don't have much to do, since it's low tide, I'll just use this hand to scrub my body using
and
their powdery white sand.
Very white. I'm lying in the ina. Sip. Picture ko, hoy. Picture ko mga ligad ko. Namiha kayang views na ako.
Nice na kayo ang sunlight. Gang! Apili ako luyo, gang! Please!
Giingnan ni mo, maan nga, nagkuan ko baan? Naglaylay sa water.
Oh, nakita niya eh!
Kita sa, iakim ko hagbit. Kunang kuan ha. Ano si Michelle kay ni kuan no, ni thumbs up.
Apilon man tanong mo si Victoria, di man ganang Victoria, kapuyan.
Ryan, nakakita, Ryan, Jade, Iris, Farah, Manuel, Michiguapa. Hala, nakakita na. Ni Kidi, nga nagtubig-tubig, pagkuha sa tubig. Diya si Kidi sa Panglao, lakaw-lakaw.
Panglao, lakaw-lakaw.
Lakaw-lakaw, pag-lakaw mo sa bahasa, na. Oh, likod-likod, views that sa sky, Doljo.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Daga nakakita Dado ka ninyo sa kuha.
Nice kayo lang bas, kay wala ganun isagol mga bato-bato.
Laki kayo gano'n.
It's pure white sand. Powdery, yeah. So if you have problems with dry, rough skin,
Kita rin mabugan.
Ah, di na makita. Gahangad man siya. Grabe! Explicit! Explicit content.
Ay, very, very, very bugnaw.
Ito yun. That's 5 minutes of scrubbing.
That's enough.
And counting.
Nice tayo o gagdag. Nagpag-beauty-beauty, gagdag-sam-sam. Nice kayong picture ni Kidig yun.
Pero titaw nilang picture, mga karin na.
Oo. Tanawon ko nung nag-usay lang, gitanaw, anaw, nga gila, gili, tanaw, na picture ko na maana.
Uy, nag-photoshoot.
Di, ka na doon, at kakanang foreigner ba na ilang sige tanawan na tele something ana nga ilang.
Sila kayo naginite.
Wow! Swim, kitty boy!
Friend ka kidi.
Nadagong isda ba ito?
Oy, mga una tata.
Dinner?
Wala may suga diha.
Wait, hapit ako naman. Sige. So I'm done scrubbing my body. My neck. I forgot my neck. Then fortunately we have this small tub here. Our small bonbon spot we found a while ago. So I'll use it to rinse. Oh, kainit! Akiri! Swim mo ate? No, nice ko yun yung background day. Mag-pictures ako guys ha. Balik ako later.